Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Sam, and today we're changing your financial future. You don't need thousands to build wealth. You just need to start early and stay consistent. Many think investing is only for the wealthy, but even $100 is enough to begin your journey. The secret isn't how much you start with, it's compound growth. Your returns earning returns. The best time to plant a tree was years ago. The second best time is today. Don't wait. Common mistake number 1. Waiting until you have more money. Start now to build the habit. Mistake 2. Chasing viral trends. Real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Aim for $500 to $1,000 initially to cover the unexpected. Step 2. Pay off high-interest debt. You can't out-invest a 25% credit card interest rate. Step 3. Invest your first $100 in broad market funds. Diversification is your best friend. Step 4. Consistency. $50 a month, every month. Automatic investing makes it easy. Step 5. Reinvest your profits. Let your money work harder for you by putting it back in. Step 6. Stay patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on the long term. Take action today. Your future self will thank you for the discipline you show now.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to The Income Engineer. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest financial updates, investment strategies, and wealth building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.